Video we are going to discuss about the condition of industrial sector during the British era. We know that India was a dominant in agriculture sector, and that condition of Indian agriculture was also not good in British era. But now let us discuss about the conditions of Indian industries. Actually, some Indian industries producing certain special products enjoyed worldwide reputation during British regime. Although British made all efforts to dismantle our handicraft industry, even though our handicraft industry enjoyed worldwide reputation, but India could not develop a sound industrial base under the British rule uh, because of the following reasons. The first point is deindustrialization. Deindustrialization means here that the Britishers deindustrialized Indian cottage industry. Cottage industry means handicraft industries. And the second is the decline of cottage industry or handicraft industry led to a large scale unemployment among the current day OBC, SC, and ST sections, because they were the large sections of the society. Even today, they are the large sections of the society, and they are the handicraft society. They had a family business of handicraft industries of in different fields. When these industries were damaged by the Britishers, uh, this OBC, SC, and ST section suffered a large scale unemployment that led to mass scale poverty, starvation, etc. The third point that led to poor in Indian industries during British era was the lack of capital goods industries. Although British Indian has some handicraft industry, even though Britishers made all effort to dismantle them, but India needed large scale industries like Britain, like Europe. But that large scale industries were lacking in India, although some mere efforts were made by Tata and etc. others to start some private industries of large scale. But and also British did in last 10 or 15 years of their regime in India. But overall, there was a lack of large scale capital goods industries in India, like iron and steel industries, aluminum industries, capital goods producing industries. So, this was the major reason for poor condition of Indian industries. The since there was a the third point was since there was no modern industries in India, very less contribution of Indian industries in GDP. Obviously, if there were no industries, how can they contribute to in GDP? And during British era, there was limited role of public sector in industries. The Britishers started some industries, iron and steel, paper industry, or cotton textile industry or jute industry, when the need emerged for that was urgency. Means the urgency forced Britishers to start some industries in India, and so there was a large scale problem of public sector investment in Indian industries. All these factors led to poor conditions of Indian agriculture in British era. The British did not want that India should adopt or know the technology which the Europeans or British are having as industrial revolution in Britain or Europe. They wanted India as a trading country only. Thank you.